We have to put first the pin once refilling. Okay, so mag-refill tayo ng Eebd with the two young ladies over there. Well done. Do you know what's the purpose of this strap?
The valve to open.
Once you pull this one is on the locking pin on the valve inside. So once this one full, how long it takes?
To empty.
To empty?
15 minutes.
Okay, perfect. To put that, you need your pen. Put on the top and push it down and put the locking pin.
Here.
Yeah, perfect.
Not sure.
Between the gap, push. We have to put first the pin once refilling. And you can turn it off. Okay. The pressure is already 220 and 210. Yeah, that is to release the pressure in the connection. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, put the gates. And lastly, just open this fully. And you have to fold it proper. Okay. And this one, you have to connect again. But that's the last. So, put all the belt around. And make sure you didn't pull it all the way. So, Eebd is done! Yes! Perfect!
Success!